Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra power button. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you might be noticed whenever you long press this power button, it's not appear to turn on or off screen. It's opening Ask Gemini. So you might be looking for how to disable this and back it to a power button. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say advanced features. After click over advanced features, you will see screen appear just like this. You're going to find here something say side button. From here you will see something say long press. So by default it's digital assistant, which is Google. If you like to show appear power off menu, you can simply choose this power off menu. Now if I go back and if I try to long press this power button, we will notice that now it's going to appear power off menu where you can power off my phone, restart your phone, or emergency SOS. So just in this simple way you can easily fix return back power button as power option menu. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.